How to unhide tagged photos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to unhide the tagged photos on Instagram, first go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then go to tagged videos and photos. Now, it doesn't appear here because you might have accidentally hidden it, or you might have hidden it because you didn't want it before. Now, for unhiding it, you'll have to remember the friend's name who tagged you, then go to the search option and then search for the name of the person who tagged you. Go to their profile and then tap on the picture, and there you'll see three dots. Tap on it, and here you'll see tag options. So you'll have to tap on show on my profile, and now go back, refresh it, and there you go. The tagged videos is available now in your profile. This is how you unhide your tagged photos on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.